Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of mprugs.com. My name is Mike Pana. I'm the moderator in the videos that is all about Persian rugs and carpets from around the world. And in this video, I'm going to show you multiple examples, different types of Turkish silk carpets, along with one Chinese made. When we talk about the Hereke rug, the most popular types of Turkish rugs, which are generally referred to as Hereke. There are also a lot of other types of silk rugs being sold in Turkey. No, and these are Chinese made Hereke. I have made a series of videos where I talk about the differences in the Chinese Hereke ones and the Turkish ones, and how you as a buyer, as somebody, if you're in Turkey or you're looking at buying a Turkish rug in a business or a website, the majority of them are imitation Chinese ones. And there's no issues with that as long as you know that it says Chinese Hereke, just like you do in our website. We have a few Chinese pieces and I'm going to show you one of them. Well, as long as I tell you that it's Chinese, then it's not an issue. But in this video, I have 5 types of Turkish silk rugs, and the Chinese is one of those 5. So there's actually 4 Turkish rugs, a Kayseri, and then 3 different types of Hereke. For those of you that are not familiar with Turkish rugs or that are just now getting into it, please watch the video. I'm going to show you briefly the differences between them. Like I said, I got 3 of them to my left, I got 2 to the right. So this video, which is a series of many videos, it's all about the silk rugs that you typically find in Turkey or that are sold as Turkish rugs. I'm going to show you 5 different examples of silk rugs. So I'll see you again here as soon as I get behind the camera. So here I'm back again behind the camera, and as always, and here we have 3 different types of Turkish rugs. We have to the left, we have right here, we have a reddish, beautiful goldish with red. This is a Kayseri. Then we have a very unique looking Hereke piece. And here we have what is known as Ozipek. So I got 3 different types of Turkish made rugs. I have in the past, I have made a comment, for example, a lot of the Kayseris are sold as Hereke pieces. Some of them even have the Hereke signature. But I have been asked by a lot of folks about them, and so I thought I'm just going to explain the main difference between Kayseri and a genuine Hereke. The genuine, and we're talking about the Turkish ones. Underneath here, I also have a Chinese Hereke, and I have made plenty of videos about the difference between the Turkish Hereke and the Chinese Hereke. But this video is not about the differences between Turkish and Chinese Hereke pieces. This video is all about different types of genuine Turkish silk rugs. And so here we have a Kayseri. The Kayseri is very similar to the Hereke pieces. And actually, I'm going to lay it on the floor because this way you can see the whole rug in itself right here. And I chose the small pieces simply because on the Hereke pieces, you typically have the Hereke signature. Now, because of the amount of fraud that's out there, I don't want you believing that when you see a signature that it is genuine. We specialize in the Turkish rugs. And when I say Turkish, again, this is a Turkish Hereke. But what is different between a genuine Hereke, and the Kayseri is the workmanship. The Kayseris are typically less expensive because they're not density. These are genuinely silk rugs that have anywhere from 400,000 to 500,000 knots per square meter, roughly 4 to 500 knots per square inch. That would be about the high-end side of a Kayseri. Whereas the Hereke pieces, and we just got one right now that has 3,000 knots per square inch. I'm going to be featuring that in a different video. It's an absolutely incredible piece, but the Herekes are much, much finer. And you can also tell that by the fringes. You see how small the fringes, this is Hereke right here. When you compare that, for example, to the Kayseris, you will see that the Kayseri are much, much thicker. So genuinely speaking, the Kayseris are less expensive, but because of it, they are very fine silk rugs. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. But this is the difference between a fine rug and a super fine rug. Now, another type of Hereke rug that I like to show you, and this one is actually about to be shipped out to a collector, this is an Ozipek. Ozipek Hereke rugs. Ozipek in Turkey is a weaving, what they call a manufacturer. These are handmade rugs, but Ozipek, unfortunately, is one of many, many Turkish rug weaving manufacturers that have been basically wiped out by the cheaper Chinese imitation Hereke rugs. But here you have a perfect example. This is an actual Ozipek Hereke. It is absolutely gorgeous. The quality of it, the knot count, is just absolutely amazing. So when you compare an actual genuine Ozipek, and I'm just going to zoom in, I cannot tell you, even as much as I zoom in, it's almost impossible to count the knots without a magnifying glass. This is just absolutely stunning. This is a type of silk rug that nowadays is almost impossible to make because of the labor cost. But there are still some that are found. One of the easiest ways to tell the difference. This is a genuine Hereke. This is a fine piece. And as you can see by the fringes, but when you compare it to a super fine piece, look at the thickness of the Ozipek versus Hereke. It's almost like half the thickness, if that. This is almost, each fringe is like hair. It is so fine. But this is the difference between Hereke and Ozipek. Now there is another type of Hereke rug that I'm going to show you. This is also a very, very fine piece. And this is one that and I'm going to be screwing up the pronunciation of it. This is a Orucoglu. Orucoglu. There's the signature. This is another type of weaver that, like the Ozipek, has become obsolete. They don't make them anymore. Again, this is a very, very fine, pure silk Hereke. Again, the knot count is just absolutely phenomenal. But these are the types of rugs that have become all but obsolete due to the influx of the Chinese rugs and as well as the labor cost. But I just wanted to show you, since I've made a series of videos about the Turkish rugs, I have shown you about the Turkish and the Chinese. I thought I'd show you. These are all classified generally as Hereke rugs. Here you have one that is from Orucoglu. Here we have an Ozipek. Here you have a standard high quality Hereke. And then over here we have the Kayseri. And then underneath is a Chinese Hereke rug. So here you have all these different types of rugs, but because they are typically sold in Turkey and around the world as Hereke rugs, I thought I'd show you the difference. The Hereke rugs typically have the signature, as you can see right here, for example, with the Orucoglu. You notice it has still the Hereke signature at the top. And you will find that whether it's with the Ozipeks or whether it is with just regular Hereke pieces, you will always have, generally speaking, almost always, you will find a signature of Hereke. That is why they are considered to be Hereke pieces, but sometimes when they are from special weavers, they will have their own names. And then, like I said, you have the Kayseri over here. This is also Turkish, but there is the difference. So I hope this video that is all about the Turkish rugs is of help to you. As always, feel free to subscribe to our channel as we are always adding more videos. Sometimes they're follow-ups about questions that people have had. Sometimes it's about new types of rugs. So again, you can also find a lot more information at mprugs.com. Feel free to leave us any questions you may have in the comments section or email us at office@mprugs.com. And I look forward to hearing from you. Best wishes to you all, and we'll look forward to putting more videos on the YouTube channel for you. Take care. Bye-bye.